Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a sea turtle. Let's start off by drawing the top of the shell with a wide curved line. Then, make a sharp turn and curve to the left, followed by one more slight curve up to the start like this. Next, for the front flipper, start drawing a line going out to the left that bends and swoops down to the right. Make a sharper bend up to the left, then finish it off with another bend back up to the shell like so. For the head, start from the top corner and curve upward. Add a big bulb for the head and curve back down to the edge of the flipper like so. Next, draw the other front flipper with a really big rounded V shape underneath the head. And for the back flipper, draw a slightly wavy teardrop shape going out from the back like so. For the underside of the turtle, add a wide curve between the front and back flipper. And add a short line up to the back of the shell here. Add one more wavy line underneath for the back flipper and a small sideways V shape here for the tail. We can add some details by drawing thin, blobby rectangles along the bottom edge of the shell. And on top, a couple big ones for the back sections. Then two more blobs in the front section. Next, add some detail to the flipper by drawing a row of big blob shapes along the front edge of the flipper, then some smaller ones in the row behind that one, and a bunch of dots in rows behind those. Do this for each of the flippers. Did you know that each turtle has a unique flipper print? Just like how humans have unique fingerprints. Scientists use these distinct flipper prints to identify and track individual turtles over time. These flippers are also incredibly strong, which help turtles with their long migrations back to their home beaches. Once they get there, these flippers also help them dig the nests that they lay their eggs in. Next, add some thin wavy lines along the underside of the turtle and along the top and bottom of the neck. Lastly, draw a thin wavy line on the head like so for the mouth, a dot above it for the eye, a smaller dot in front for the nose, and a bunch of small dots along the top of the head for some texture. And now you've got a sea turtle. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.